How to draw a simple tree with a sponge. Have your paint ready and just slightly dab on your chosen colour paint. This is Sap Green and Paynes Grey, working from the bottom upwards, and always have darker shades where the base of leaves are, leaving some negative space, which is some blank paper. Then turning your sponge around, you can soften those edges. Adding some more paint, I can go over it and add more depth down the bottom and underneath where branches are. Just working my way through, turning the sponge around every now and then just to soften up the colour. Adding more paint and just adding a few more layers. Just keep turning the sponge around, and then that way you can soften up the paint. And now mixing up some burnt umber and a little bit of black. With the tip of your brush, you can just add a simple trunk, cleaning your brush, adding a little bit of water, and you can soften the base of that trunk, and then add some branches where there's a little bit of negative space on your page. And now adding a slightly different shade of green, which is more Sap Green than Paynes Grey, I can add the base of the tree, smoothing down with some water, and then with the tip of the brush we can add a little bit of shadow, which is underneath the tree, and then just adding some blades of grass for a finishing touch. That is a very simple tree with a sponge.